We're covering latitude, longitude, and chart scale, three critical concepts for your FAA Part 107 exam. Latitude lines are the horizontal lines running east and west across a VFR sectional chart. Think of them as the rungs of a ladder. They measure your distance north or south of the Earth's equator, which is 0 degrees latitude. For the Part 107 exam, you'll always be dealing with north latitude since you're operating in the United States. You'll see these lines marked with degrees, such as 34 degrees. Between these main degree lines are tick marks representing minutes, and there are 60 minutes in 1 degree. An exam question will point to a location and ask for its approximate coordinates. You must find the nearest labeled latitude line and then count the tick marks to determine the minutes, arriving at an answer like 34 degrees and 25 minutes north. Longitude lines are the vertical lines running from pole to pole. They measure your distance east or west of the prime meridian. In the US, you will always be in the Western Hemisphere, so your longitude will be west. The exam tests this in the same way, requiring you to find the nearest longitude line and estimate the minutes. A very common exam trap is mixing up these two concepts. Use this mnemonic to keep them straight. Lat is flat. The lines of latitude are the flat, horizontal ones. If you remember that, you'll know the long vertical lines represent longitude. The exam will give you answer options with the coordinates swapped, and if you get them confused, you'll select the wrong choice even if you read the chart perfectly. Now, let's discuss chart scale and distance. VFR sectional charts operate on a scale of 1 to 500,000. This means 1 inch on the chart represents 500,000 inches in the real world. On the exam, this translates to about 6.86 nautical miles, or approximately 8 statute miles per inch. You won't need to perform complex calculations, however. The exam is testing your ability to use the tools provided in the official testing supplement. In your supplement, there will be a plotter scale with markings for both nautical and statute miles. An exam question will ask for the distance between 2 points, like an airport and a communications tower. Here's another major trap. The question will specify either nautical miles or statute miles. If you use the wrong scale from the plotter, your answer will be incorrect. Always double-check the question for the required unit. To measure, place the 0 mark of the correct scale on your starting point and read the distance where your endpoint lands. A typical exam problem will combine these skills, asking you to identify a location's coordinates and its distance from another object. First, you'll find the intersecting latitude and longitude, remembering lat is flat. Then you'll use the provided plotter scale, confirm the units, and measure the distance. Mastering these methodical chart reading skills is key to getting these questions right. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.